Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. I guess you already know I'm gonna talk about watches. As fashion accessories or like collectibles, watches are something, make beautiful gifts and always in style. They're never out of style, and I enjoy wearing watches. I don't know about you, but I always wear a watch, and I haven't been shopping for new watches for years. So this time I was like looking for something new, something more like updated, preferably something luxury but not like too flashy. And when this brand reached out to me and asked me if I want to pick anything from their collection, I said yes. This is a Danish brand. It's called About Vintage. You will love their collections. So beautiful, so timeless, elegant, but got this modern, like updated vibe. I mean, these watches just look so gorgeous on the website. How they will look like in real life. I have the products with me. I just received my watches from About Vintage. I got two different styles, two different watches, and two like extra straps here, and I have everything with me, and I am gonna unbox these watches in the video, so you guys stay with me. It comes with a little booklet to introduce some information about the brand, the collection, and some how-tos. It's very handy. I come back to this little booklet a lot. Let's move on to the watches, and here's the first watch. The package itself feels very premium and nicely made. Here is the watch, and this timepiece is 1969 vintage petite in gold and green sunray. 1969 was the year when the world's first quartz watch was released. So this collection is to celebrate the quartz movement history. And I love the colors and the build quality. Everything has been nice, and it comes with a free second strap, and I picked this brown leather strap, which is very classic. The second style is also 1969 petite, but it's in gold and gold sunray, so everything is gold. This is definitely a statement piece, and it's very classic and very elegant. It's great for every day. And the second strap, I picked this light blue one. Let's take a closer look at the watches. The case is gold, and the dial is green sunray with gold dots and hands. And I personalized it with the engraving on the back. This is so beautiful. The quality is very nice, and the style is definitely timeless. The size of the watch is 32mm, and it fits my wrist like perfectly. The only difference of the two watches is the color of the dial, one green, one gold, but they look pretty different when I'm styling them. And I also have the back of the watch engraved, and it's very special. The quality is definitely impressive, and the glass they use is domed sapphire crystal, which is scratch-free. With the additional straps, I can easily change just the strap to create very different looks. Honestly, I love both types of strap, the gold-coated stainless steel and the leather strap. About Vintage makes different straps and different colors of dials, and you can be creative. Which looks, which combo do you like? You can leave a comment down below. As I mentioned, this brand About Vintage is a Danish watch brand. This is definitely luxury and premium, but the price is attainable. As you can see, the watches got vintage styles. They're minimalistic, but with a lot of nice features and details. As much as these watches are timeless and classic and minimalistic, you can still find something that's very unique for you, like the one that I picked with the green dial and gold strap that speaks to me. It's something luxury, and they can be very expressive. You can pick your color of the dial, and you can pick your strap, and you can pick your size. You can engrave it. You just make it so unique, totally for you. So this watch can be a very nice detail as a part of your outfit to tell your story, to tell your style. Another nice feature that I really love about is the name of each model, like the one I have is Boutique 1969. So each model has a name, which is a year. So it's like a celebration of history. Like older generations, what they do, their milestones, their stories, something we need to memorize, we need to celebrate, always look back in time. So this is a nice acknowledgement of the history, of our memory. This is so special. About Vintage, as a socially responsible brand, they are carbon neutral. They are a part of a lot of projects to help the environment, to support the ecosystem, and including UN verified green project, DHL zero emissions project, and the ocean cleanup. So as a brand ambassador, as a consumer, I do appreciate that. As for the products and services, About Vintage offers free worldwide shipping, free extra strap. So for one watch, you got 2 looks, and also free engraving, so you can make it very special without additional cost. And also, you get 30-day free return, so you don't have to worry about the quality. They're pretty confident with what they do. For the free engravings I got this time, behind this gold dial, I have CLR, all in capital letters. These are the first name initials of my family, and I do love this special engraving on this watch. It's something, you know, near to my heart. So this is definitely a special piece for me. I will keep it, and really love this, you know, free service. As for this piece, I have my social media handle chrishanxoxo in the back. So this is my brand, this is my social media handle across different platforms. So the meaning of, you know, having this handle, this brand name in the back is like a kind of reminder to myself that what I've been doing is tangible and real. It feels real and it's nice. So with all being said, if you're picking up any watch from About Vintage, I highly recommend that you do the engraving. Put a special message to yourself or to your families and friends. Just make it special, make it memorable. If you're shopping About Vintage, shopping watches or accessories on their website, you can use my code ChrisHan to get discount, to get money off. For the discount, you can get 25% off if there is no special promotion going on. If there is a special promotion on the website, for example, if you see 20% off, and you can still apply my code to get the additional 5% off. In total, you will get 25% off with my code. So I hope this video can be of some help, and that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!